Mobile hoists are crucial pieces of equipment that are relied upon by care staff to deliver the care that users need. They can receive heavy use in care environments, which can increase how often they break down. As a company that is routinely called out to repair mobile hoists, we've put together the 6 common causes of breakdown with mobile hoists and how to reduce them. Whether you operate in a busy or quiet care environment, flat batteries for mobile hoists are a common issue. This typically occurs when batteries are only charged little and often, or left off charge for a long period. The best way to prevent this issue from occurring is to implement a systematic method of charging your hoist, which involves 2 batteries per hoist and a numbering system. We explain more about this method through an instructional video on our website. Handsets on care equipment are durable, but they can receive heavy use in certain environments. Staff can sometimes use handsets to pull the mobile hoist along instead of pulling the hoist by the handles. As handsets aren't designed to be pulled, it causes the handset wires and connections to come loose or break. Staff training is key to reducing this issue and reducing the unnecessary costs associated with handset breakdowns or replacement parts. The emergency stop button on a mobile hoist is designed to be accessible, so it can be used during an emergency to stop any further operation. However, due to this design, someone could accidentally push the emergency button in without realising it. This is a common reason for call-outs with mobile hoists, and we recommend checking this before requesting an engineer. If it has been pushed in, it can be easily pulled out and reset. Electronic components on equipment can cause issues in care environments. On mobile hoists, the electronic components that cause issues include the actuator and the control box. Some mobile hoists will have more electronics such as a powered lift, powered cradle and powered legs, which mean more parts have the potential to go wrong. Proactive service and maintenance checks, as well as taking good care of your mobile hoist in between these checks, will reduce the likelihood of electrical issues occurring. We are often called out to breakdowns because a caster has been damaged and needs replacing. Casters don't like carpets. Debris, carpet fibres and fluff are often getting caught within its components, stopping them from turning and moving freely. Cleaning and removing debris from casters is an essential part of a caster care and can reduce the need to replace them as often. Another common cause of breakdowns from mobile hoists is damage to the legs or frame. There are several causes of this which unfortunately usually occur through incorrect use. This can happen if the mobile hoist is slammed against furniture, the equipment is overloaded past the safe working load, or if the sling gets caught around the leg during a transfer from the floor. Providing your staff with training on the correct use of equipment will help to reduce call-outs associated with the issue. These common problems with mobile hoists can be caused by incorrect use or the mobile hoist not being cared for in between service inspections. Provide regular training on the specific equipment within your care facility to all current and future staff. If this doesn't help reduce breakdowns that keep arising on the same equipment, get in touch with Medico to see how we can help.